In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling design using Canva by applying interesting effects and adjustments. Whether you're new to Canva or looking to enhance your design skills, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each element thoroughly. Let's get started by heading over to Canva and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new canvas. For today's project, we'll work with a canvas size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. This square format is perfect for social media posts, offering ample space for creativity. Now that we have our blank canvas ready, let's switch up the background by choosing a darker color. Darker backgrounds can provide a nice contrast for certain images and effects, making your design elements pop and catch the viewer's eye. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find the Upload tab. Click on it and upload a photo that you want to work with. By selecting and uploading your photo, you'll have the flexibility to personalize your project exactly as you envision it. Once your image is uploaded, use the floating toolbar and look for the BG Remover option. This is a nifty tool that efficiently removes the background of your image, allowing for a cleaner, more professional look. After applying this tool, take some time to adjust the size and reposition your image on the canvas to ensure it sits perfectly against the backdrop. With the image all set, let's move forward. On the floating toolbar, you'll notice an Edit option. Click on that. This opens up a realm of possibilities to modify and enhance your design. As you scroll down the left side, aim for the Effects section. Here we'll add some flair to our design. Click on Shadows to start giving your image a more three-dimensional feel. Within the shadow options, you'll find Glow, which is especially effective for creating emphasis and drawing attention to your main elements. Changing the glow color can significantly alter the mood and style of your design. Opt for a more vibrant, luminescent shade that ties into your overall theme while adding a visual punch. Once the glow is applied, explore the settings to adjust the size, blur amount, and intensity. These adjustments can enhance your image's depth, adding a layer of professionalism and engaging aesthetics to your design. As you follow these steps, take your time to experiment with different combinations. The goal is to create something unique that aligns with your vision. Remember, each project is an opportunity to express your creativity, so enjoy the process and make it your own. Once you're satisfied with your design, you're ready to download and share it with the world. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial inspires you to create your next visual masterpiece using Canva.